Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. And in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys this particular product that I bought from Amazon. This is from Insight. It's their Prime and Perfect Hydrating Primer. So I've been wanting to try this for quite some time now, and this comes in this teeny tiny cutesy packaging, and we will discuss about this in greater detail and get to know how this product works. Like, just apply some lip gloss or lip balm because I feel my lips are way too dry right now. Pilgrim one. Talk about this particular product. Now this is priced at 115 rupees, but आपको ये आराम से 99 rupees तक मिल जाएगा. ये 10 ml की क्वांटिटी है एंड इट्स अ वेरी छोटू सा प्राइमर, ऑलमोस्ट फील्स लाइक अ सैम्पल साइज प्राइमर. इफ इट वर्क्स आउट, दिस विल बी सच अ गुड प्राइमर टू कैरी in your travel carry on. What are their claims? They have mentioned that it's light, it hydrates and it blurs, and they've told that it is dermatologically tested formula and it is certified safe cert. And features इसके इन्होंने बताया quick dry, pore filling properties, deep moisturization, sets and improves the quality of makeup wear up to 8 hours. So that is what their claims are. Ingredient list में mention करा है कि इसमें shea butter है, vitamin E है, coconut oil है, cucumber है. So all that is fine. I'm just worried about the ingredient coconut oil because coconut oil generally clogs pore, and whenever I have tried to use coconut oil on my face, it's caused me breakouts. So I'm just hoping कि this one doesn't cause me breakouts. And my skin prep, so let's now go in with the primer. I will show you the consistency. अंदर कोई seal नहीं आती है. Product is oozing out as you can see. Air pressure की वजह से निकल रहा है. कुछ consistency इसकी ऐसे है, and it's got this creamy finish with a hint of silicone in it. तो मैंने थोड़ा सा ही लिया है. I'm applying wherever I feel like I'm applying wherever I feel like my skin texture is a lot super hydrating, and it has somewhat blurred my pores over here. Not too much, but tiniest amount. My skin looks very moisturized and hydrated, so I feel that's a plus point. So I've done my brows and I've let the primer sit for a good minute, and I can feel that the product is on my face. And now I am going in with a BB cream. So this is from Dermaco, and let's see how this one sits on my face. Guys, this one is not sitting well on my face. It's just not blending in with the foundation at all. So I don't know if it's the mistake of the BB cream or what, but this is just not blending with my skin. What I'll do is I will wash my face and redo my steps, and then I'll use a different foundation and see if that works out better, because this is not looking good at all. It's not blending in at all. Alright, I'm back. I've washed my face, I've done my skin prep again, and now I'm going in again with the same Inside primer, and I'm going to be using it on my face and see if it will make a difference. This time around I will use a different foundation. I will go in with my trusty foundation and see if that works out or not. This Beauty's Airbrush Finish Full Coverage Foundation. I was wanting something very light, and that's why I went with that. But let's see how this one does. With this particular foundation, this is my favorite foundation. It gives me a airbrush finish वैसे भी. With this particular one, I did like it, but will I be going ahead and repurchasing this particular product? No. Also, I found out that starting में वो air के pressure से निकल रहा था, फिर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा press करना होगा to get the product out, which goes to say कि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा air है और product बहुत कम है. And first application में मैं जब apply कर रही हूँ तो it's moving a little bit, so you might need to give it a little more time for it, the primer to settle in your skin, then go ahead with the foundation. But it did move around the foundation a lot and was kind of creating streaks, and then after few minutes of continuously blending in, then it settled down. It's not like the most easiest foundation, I mean, application I have done. So I'm not that happy about it. I feel it's okay. I feel like और थोड़े पैसे डाल के आप इससे अच्छा प्राइमर definitely खरीद सकते हो, and you can skip this one. It's not the most blurring one, but it is hydrating, and येट ये मेरा बहुत फाउंडेशन मूव कर रहा है. अभी मैंने सेटिंग स्प्रे लगाया एंड आई फील लाइक आई एम हैविंग टू वर्क अराउंड इट अ लॉट. राइट, मैं रेस्ट ऑफ द फेस कर लूँगी, फिर आपके साथ बात करूँगी फाइनल थॉट्स के लिए. मैंने पूरा अपना मेकअप कर लिया है एंड आई हैव a lot of thoughts, and those thoughts are not that great. Was this primer really good to do all that effort I did? Honestly, I don't think so. My first impression has not been that great. I wanted to film a video which I was really excited इसके बाद में, बट ये बेस लेके मुझे मन भी नहीं कर रहा है कि मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो बनाऊँ, बिकॉज इतना मुश्किल हुआ है हर प्रोडक्ट को ब्लेंड करना, सेट करना, बिकॉज आई यूज़ द टिपिकल सेम आई यूज़ द सेम काइंड ऑफ setting powder and it was clinging on to that, and foundation तो मेरा favorite वाला ही use की हूँ, so that cannot be the issue. And the only thing that I did different was the primer, and sadly for some reason it didn't work out for me. तो मैं और थोड़ा use करके try करूँगी if I can work this out and see how best I can work it out. I'm very sad and disappointed with this. For now, I know for a fact my base makeup hasn't turned out that well. अभी कैमरा में शायद थोड़ा सा अच्छा दिख रहा होगा, बट ओवरऑल आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग द फीलिंग ऑफ दैट ऑन माई face. Would rather spend some more money and buy a really good primer, because that is the foundation on which everything else sits. And if a primer is not good and it's not gripping, then everything else will be just moving around just the way it was doing right now for me. Like the foundation was moving around a lot, the setting powder was clinging onto places, and even the blush placement was not that great, so I'm not happy with it. That's all I have to say. But if it did work out for you guys, let me know what you did different, and I will also try to do things differently so that this one works out for me. But that's my honest opinion so far. I hope you found this video helpful. I don't know कितने मिनट की वीडियो बन गई है, because I was just like rubbing my face to make it work, and I don't think makeup should be that difficult to apply. It should be easier, and for that you need to have good primers. If you have a good primer and a good foundation, rest of the things can just look, even if you have a shitty blush, shitty highlighter, you can still make it work if your base looks really smooth. So yeah, with that I will end the video. I will not drag it. I already feel this video is going to be a drag. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and do not leave without commenting and turning on the bell notification. Go and follow me on Instagram. I post videos and content over there as well. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe. Mwah.